the Supreme God, can forgive the punishment of sinful deeds. Till now, every saint or great man we have met told us that sinful deeds can only be cut off by suffering the punishment of karma. Who is that Lord? Who can forgive sinful deeds? Who can free us from the bondage of Kal? What is his name? What is the method of worship to unravel all these mystical secrets? Must listen the nectar words of Jagat Guru Tattvadarshi Sant Rampal Ji Maharaj, based on the holy scriptures of all religions.
Respected Ramanand Sahib Ji is saying that
तुम साहेब तुम संत हो, तुम सतगुरु तुम हंस, गरीबदास तेरे रूप बिना और न दूजा अंश।
You only are God. तुम साहेब तुम संत हो. You only in saint form are playing the role of an enlightened saint here.
और तुम सतगुरु तुम हंस.
You only are Satguru, provider of true knowledge and authorized to grant mantra. You only are Swan. Swan meaning qualities that a devotee should have. It is said, O God, those are in you only. Without you, without your power, yahan aur na दूजा अंश. All universe are moving with your power only. All living beings have power to move and speak because of your power only. O God, there is nothing without you. In this way, Garib Das Ji is telling here that which was described as it is seen in movie, Garib Das Ji wrote it entirely. So he is telling that God, dohu thor hai ek tu, in Satlok above, in his real form, add crores of suns and crores of moons. God's beauty is like this. Such is the beauty of one hair follicle, so he is in form, has hair follicle, is corporeal, and swans go and whisk on him. These people of Radha Swami, Dhandan Satguru and Jai Gurudev cult say God is not in Satlok. There is only light, only radiance. The soul goes and gets absorbed in radiance in God just like a drop in ocean. This is like dying by drowning. Does someone dare come to ocean? Someone says God will be found here, jump into it. Not even a single one will go, no matter here they suffer. Their whole theory is wrong. Their mantras are wrong. Pancho naam kaal ke jano, jabdani man shanka aano. These 5 mantras are of Kal. Then it is said there are other mantras than these 5. They have to be chanted. सोई गुरु पूरा कहावे, 2 अक्षर का भेद बतावे. In Guru Nanak Dev Ji's speech.
पंडित जेतु पढ़िया 2 अक्षर बिन 2 नावा, प्रणवती नानक एक लंघाए जे कर सत समावा.
This is a 2-word mantra. And the one who is familiar with this true word, that is Satnam, is of 2 words. One is Om, in its second word is Tat. That is symbolic. He will be the complete Guru. These are incomplete Gurus, Radha Swami ones, Jai Gurudev ones, and all these Dhandan, Satguru ones. These Thakurjis are providing 5 mantras, and these Dhandhan, Satguru, Sacha Sauda, Sirsa, and Jagmal Wali have shown cleverness. Someone must have pointed that you are chanting the mantras of Kal, all 5. They started with different 3 mantras, Sat, Purush, Kal Murat, and Shabad Swarupi Ram. Till they showed cleverness here that now no one will say that you are chanting Kal's mantras, but these mantras are not worth chanting. These are synonyms of God, names of glory, such as Akal Murat. Of that, God in form. Murat means in form, who does not perish, never dies. Akal means that imperishable God. And Satpurush, Sat does not perish. Purush means God. So imperishable divine Satpurush also means imperishable God. Akal Murat also means eternal, God and Shabad Swarupi Ram, word never perishes. It is indestructible. Ram, God, the eternal form, means imperishable God. Its meaning also of Shabad Swarupi Ram is indestructible. Now this is preaching of these Dhandan Satguru ones, of Sacha Sauda Sirsa ones, and the people of Jagmalwali, and these near Hisar, they call themselves Mastane Mastune, consider them all to be the water of same well. This is how they do. In Gangua, there is one place of Mastana in Gangua, 600 Mastana, 900 Mastana, then there will be many thousand Mastanas, and these people do not know ABC, Akal Murat, Shabad Swarupi Ram, Satpurush, keep chanting it. Will God be attained? Well, these are the titles of God, like keep saying Jal Pani Neer, Jal Pani Neer, Jal Pani Neer, all your life. Neither will you get water, nothing will be obtained. The way to obtain what you call Jal Pani Neer, its process is separate, its procedure is different. Bring drill, bring a machine, bring pipe, then struggle for that, do that procedure. And that is 2-word mantra Satnam, which is of 2 words. In that, one word is Om and one is Tat, its secret. Those who have received Satnam can understand it. Then the drill of Satnam will have to be done while inhaling and exhaling. Now while digging, we move down, the soil has to be poured out and the pipe will keep going inside. The soil will continue to pour out and that pipe will go till the water. The job of these 2 words is to reach till water, that is of this drill and pipe. After that there is Sarnam, means by chanting Satnam we can cross 21 universes and can cross 7 Shankh universes of this Akshar Purush. Akshar Purush, Akshar Purush, and third is Paramakshar Purush. To get a permanent place in that abode of Paramakshar Purush is that Sarnam. It is also called Adinam. Call it Sarnam or Adinam. Now what is told? God Kabir had come himself. It is said,
सोहम शब्द हम जग में लाए और सार नाम हमने गुप्त छपाए.
I did not disclose the secret of Sarnam.
धर्मदास तो लाख दुहाई, ये सार नाम कई बार न जाई, सार नाम बार जो पढ़ी, बिजली पीढ़ी हंस नी तरही.
This Adinam is separate, as this is Sarnam, like the drill did its work, has lowered the pipe and reached till water, but water is not obtained. With this, now a machine will have to be installed, a hand pump, machine which is operated with hand. Understand that to be Sarnam, and then the object that will be received from it, that is God, that is water. You also have to chant that Sarnam, you have to work. The hand pump has to be operated. And then water will come out. This is how that Jal Pani Neer, water will be obtained in this way, that Satpurush will be obtained. Their procedure is absolutely wrong. The ones with 3 and 5 mantras will go straight to hell. They cannot have salvation. Pious souls, the purpose of the servant is not to criticize anyone. But the soul is crying as they have ruined millions of lives. These Radha Swami, Dhandan Satguru, Jai Gurudev, and where will they take people, these Nirankari ones and all these? They do not know ABC. They are working as messengers of Kal. They talk about Sachkhand and have no idea of ABC of Satnam. They do not know Satnam to date. The Radha Swami cult, from whom has this originated? His good name is Shri Shiv Dayal Singh Ji, and they call him Radha Swami also. They consider Radha Swami to be the biggest mantra of God, whereas Radha was the wife of Shiv Dayal. and he was her Swami. Though his wife's name was different, but people started calling her Radha. Now the younger brother of Shiv Dayal, Singh Ji, Pratap Singh, used to call his sister-in-law Radha and considered his brother as Krishna. Therefore, they started calling him Radha Swami like Uma Swami said Uma Swami. Uma means Parvati and her Swami is her husband. Uma Swami means Lord Shankar. So Radha Swami means Radha's husband, that is Shiv Dayal. They are doing the worship of Shiv Dayal. And Shiv Dayal has become a ghost, speaks in Bukki, his disciple. So where will these innocent souls go? Think logically, you intelligent ones. You have made computers today, have made internet. But we do not apply even a little mind in this. And there are crores of followers sitting. What is the use? To wander there, to suffer there. I will show you a little rehearsal, their trailer. How much knowledge these Radha Swami gurus had, then where will they go? Jhoota gyan, ye dhyan kahan laaye? Ye baat bita chaturai. Those whose theory is wrong, practical is done on the theory. Those whose theory is wrong, then their practical is automatically wrong. They talk about going to Satlok. They do not know what is Satnam. This is to eat or drink. Or is this to sing a hymn, or is it a place? Their gurus did not understand it till the last breath. So where will the followers go? Now I will show you. See, this is a book. Sarvachan Radha Swami Vartik. The publisher is Jagdish Chandra Sethi, Secretary Radha Swami Satsang, Beas, Dera Baba Jaimal Singh. Printed in India by Lakshmi Offset Printers, Delhi. With their preface only it will be clear. Now see Sarvachan Radha Swami Vartik, which is a collection of speech of Hazur Swamiji Maharaj. These speeches were noted by the followers during sermons and other discussions a few years after Swamiji Maharaj left for the Supreme Abode. These were collected and printed in the form of a book. In 1902, Baba Jaimal Singh Ji Maharaj got this printed, Sarvachan Radha Swami Vartik, for the first time in Gurmukhi script. That is, it was already printed in other language, and in 1902 Baba Jaimal Singh Ji got this printed in the Punjabi language, Gurmukhi language. And the present book is according to same Gurmukhi edition, and now its Hindi version is being published. From 1902 to 2012, it has been 110 years today. They are reading this nonsense and still could not understand what he wanted to say. Look, Swamiji Maharaj's good name was Seth Shiv Dayal Singh Ji. You were born on the 25th of August 1818 in the city of Agra. Your father's name was Seth Dilwali Singh Ji and your mother's name was Mahamaya Ji. Your ancestors were the residents of Punjab and Guru Granth Sahib was recited at home. Your mother and father were devotees of famous Sant Tulsi Sahib of Hathras. Swamiji Maharaj also had a lot of association with Tulsi Sahib Ji. That is, Shiv Dayal Ji, whom they call Radha Swami, he also had a lot of association with Tulsi Das of Hathras, that is, had heard a lot of discourses. Swamiji Maharaj had inclination towards spirituality since childhood. Sitting in a room, you practiced Surat Shabad Yog for 17 years. For 17 years while sitting in a room. This is forced worship and is nowhere mentioned in any holy scripture. This is arbitrary practice. of these people. Look ahead. You read this on page 5. Now look at 6th. And in the year 1861, on the day of Basant Panchami, he began to openly preach sermons and Surat Shabad Yog. Look ahead. Now here a little more will have to be seen. After that, Baba Jaimal Singh was born in 1839 in village Ghuman, district Gurdaspur. In the year 1856, he got initiation. Look here carefully. His story, where Jaimal Singh established his dera in 1861, he started spiritual discourse. Who? Shiv Dayal Ji. And in 1856, that is 5 years ago, Jaimal Singh Ji got initiation. Then he worked in the army for 32 years till 32 years. After 32 years, he retired in 1889 after receiving pension and started living on the banks of River Beas. Now, Shiv Dayal Singh Ji died in 1878 at the age of 60. 1818 plus 60 in 1878, Shiv Dayal Ji died, and Jaimal Singh Ji, after 11 years in 1889, started the setup according to his wish on Beas River. Babaji came to Beas and did sermons. He went there and another acacia tree grew. Now we move ahead. Pious souls, this is a subject to think. Shiv Dayal Ji died in the year 1878. He went wherever he was supposed to go. And then in 1889, after 11 years, Jaimal Singh Ji sets up ashram in Beas. This proves that he did not have the order to give initiation, otherwise he would have immediately quit his job and started the work. Like the servant was graced by our Gurudev. The servant got initiation in 1988 from my respected Gurudev Ji, and in 1994 the servant was ordered that you grant initiation. From that very day, the servant had started giving initiation from 1994, and in 1995 quit his job when responsibilities increased. Too much, there was load. And after that has been in service to date. In 1861, Shiv Dayal Ji became eligible to do sermons, and in 1856, Jaimal Singh Ji took initiation 5 years ago. That is, his initiation was incomplete at that time. Guru was also incomplete. He was not even authorized to be at the post of Guru. Shiv Dayal Ji had no Guru, and they make him their Guru. Virtuous souls, like the electricity comes here, so that connection is still the thermal plant behind. If there is no thermal plant and someone has tied a wire to a wooden pole, and from it we are taking connections forward, will the power come from it? Cannot come in 7 words. This is the situation of the Shiv Dayal Ji cult, Radha Swami cult, and its related sects like Jai Gurudev and this Dhandan Satguru of Sacha Saudavans consider this to be their same situation, when he had no Guru. And further, when did Jaimal Singh Ji made him a Guru? He took initiation in 1856 and became worthy of doing sermons in 1861. Till then he was incomplete. He was involved in the practice.
कच्ची सरसम पीड़ के खड़ो है ना तेल.
And then in 1889, he started providing initiation on his own. Shiv Dayal Ji died in 1878. If this Jaimal Singh Ji considers him as his mentor, if he had the order to grant initiation, then he should have started on the same day and continued with service as well. So with this, it is proved that this group has been gathered of completely unknown people. Innocent devotees got trapped, with them considering them as supreme. By getting trapped in Kal's web, they are ruining their lives to date. The aim of this servant is that you get rid of them and come here, get this real Satnam. Now I will show what they call Satnam. See this book? This is the same book. Sarvachan Radha Swami Vartik. This is part 1. There would be even more Radha Swami, Dayal's Mercy. Radha Swami Sahai revealing sermon of Hazur Radha Swami Sahib. Now here are their words. Listen to speech of Shiv Dayal Ji. The only work is that human beings, that is a man, should send his surat means soul to his treasure and exit means destination Satnam and Radha Swami. Here they call Satnam a place, which means Satnam, they are calling Satnam a place. Let's move ahead, and they are calling Radha Swami also as a place. This you read on page 13. See on 14th. Now come here. Their speeches are like Gita 1, 2, 3. Now you read second. Now look at third. All the priests, preachers, incarnations and prophets that have been in every religion, all of them, based on the power of their worship, have moved inwardly towards the destination. But everyone did not reach this destination. Some rare seekers and followers reached the 3rd level and only saints till 5th, that is on Satnam, on 5th level. Here they are telling Satnam to be a place, listen carefully, pious souls. And some rare saint till level 8 means Radha Swami. Here Radha Swami is a place and Satnam is also a place. They have made it clear. Now look on page number 15 and verse number 4. Their speeches are like Gita according to them. Now it should be understood that the post of Radha Swami is the highest place, level. And this is the name of Lord and true Sahib and true God. Now from this level, from Radha Swami place, 2 levels below this point is Satnam's destination. 2. Satnam they have proved as a place. Satnam, that is the place of place. Look at their rubbish. What are they saying? Now they have further defined Satnam, have given information about this Satnam which saints have called Satlok, Satnam, Sachkhand Satnam, Sar Shabad Satnam, and Sat Shabad Satnam, and Satnam, and Satpurush as Satnam. Wow, the natives of Satlok. You ate my sweet blood, ate mine, that I came to know, and it became my duty to wake everyone that you are going in the wrong direction. Stop. Like once a train track was broken, we used to study, we were kids. A brave boy took off his clothes and went ahead of the broken place and was doing like this, was waving that cloth. That driver was wise. He saw why was this child doing like this. There may be some danger. He stopped the train. When he got down, he saw that there was a huge cut in that track. Many thousand people would have been killed. That child was praised. So virtuous soul's effort of this servant is that stop, the direction is wrong. This Radha Swami cult is absolutely the trap of Kal, and this Shiv Dayal Ji himself became a ghost. What will happen to you? Now I will show you that he has become a ghost. And still you do not accept, so you have drunk too much cannabis of Kal. God Kabir says,
माया अटपटी सब गट आन अड़ी और किस किस न समझाऊं या कुआ भांग पड़ी.
Now this is Shiv Dayal Ji, their supreme who is called Radha Swami. Although this is a different thing, yet we will go on their basis for some time. Then we will be able to explain to you. These are the views of the Supreme. He is not understanding Satnam as what is this thing. Satnam, is this some place? And then they give 5 mantras, Omkar, Arankar, Jyot Niranjan, Soham, Satnam. In that there is a mantra Satnam and Soham and Satnam. कहीं की ईंट कहीं का रोड़ा और ये राधा स्वामी कुनबा जोड़ा. They have done this work. Now they have told Satnam is a place And this Satnam is Satlok, is Sachkhand, is also Satnam, is also Satpurush, is also Sarnam, and this is Char Shabad also. Wow, deities. Now, like, if someone has not seen a car in a dream, has not seen petrol, has not seen road, a city, a wild person somewhere 200, 300 kilometers away from the city, he heard from someone. Some rural person had gone there and he heard some verbal knowledge, and then he tells to others, after he goes back, I go out in the city for outing, I sit in the car and drive, it runs with petrol, it runs on the road. Then someone asks him, brother, how is car, petrol, city and driver? Then if he defines, he will define it like this only, as he has not seen anything, that petrol is also called car, driver is also called car, road is also called car, and city is also called the car. So this is their definition of Satnam of Shiv Dayal Ji. Now let me show you further that Shri Jaimal Singh Ji is considered a direct disciple, as they believe he got a sermon from Shiv Dayal Singh Ji and he established his place at Radha Swami Beas and gives same 5 mantras. He was succeeded by Shri Sawan Singh Ji. Now the water from the same well of Shiv Dayal was in Jaimal Singh. The same water of Jaimal Singh Ji, the same thoughts came to Sawan Singh Ji. And Sawan Singh Ji's disciple was Shri Bilochistani Shamastana Shri Khemamal Singh Ji. Shri Khemamal Singh Ji, who set up this dera in Sacha Sauda Sirsa separately, because Sawan Singh Ji did not give him order to grant initiation. At that time, these two became authorized. One was Kripal Singh and second one is Shri Khemamal Singh Ji. These two clashed with each other. Sawan Singh Ji made one Sardar Jagat Singh Ji a successor and bypassed both. So they came and made one dera in Sacha Sauda, Sirsa, Khemamal Singh Ji, and the other one, Kripal Singh Ji, started a new setup in Delhi on his own. And then from Kripal Singh Ji, Thakur Singh Ji became a rebel because he gave the throne to Rajendra Singh, but Thakur Singh Ji wanted, he started new setup separately. From Agra itself, a sect originated Jai Gurudev cult in Mathura. Understand, Jai Gurudev cult of Mathura, also the water of the same well like that of Shiv Dayal Singh Ji. And they also give same 5 mantras, all 5 of Kal. Tulsidas of Hatra says, consider all 5 mantras of Kal. All these 5 are chanting of Kal. I will show you in the Ghat Ramayana. Now I will show you they are not understanding Satnam. How a Sawan Singh Ji defined Satnam. Look now, they themselves accept, Shri Sawan Singh Ji, that one who will tell secret of 2 words will be the complete Guru. From where is it? It has been written in Guru Granth Sahib. They themselves accept.
2 अक्षर का जो भेद बतावे और सोए गुरु पूरा कहावे.
These 2 words are neither with Jai Gurudev sect ones. And they say these 2 words, like someone asked them whether these 2 words have to be chanted or not. They say no, they are not to be chanted. Their practice has to be done. When you do not know mantras, then what will you practice? When you do not know 2 words, what are those 2 words? Then what practice will you do? They fool and are trying not to let the truth come out, but for how long? It is said,
चोर चुरावे तुमड़ा और गड्ढे पानी में, वो गड्ढे हुआ ऊपर आवे न सच्चाई छानी ना.
The proof that they give of Guru Granth Sahib, it is told, it has been clarified in that it is for chanting, and Guruji will give that mantra of 2 words. And there they say Satnam is our caste. They are not understanding Satnam. Then how will they go to Satlok when they could not define Satnam? Their theory is wrong. Then how will they reach Satlok? I will give proof in front of you that he has become a ghost head of Radha Swami Shiv Dayal Ji and is speaking in his disciple Bukki. as ghost. Look, this is Sant Mat Prakash, part 3. And who is its? This is Shri Sawan Singh Ji. Shri Sawan Singh Ji Maharaj. He is its author, that is, it is a collection of his speeches of Shri Sawan Singh Ji. This Sant Mat Prakash part 3. Its publisher is Jagdish Chandra Sethi, Secretary Radha Swami Satsang Beas, Dera Baba Jaimal Singh. The printer is Gopsons Papers Limited, printed in India. Gopsons Papers Limited. Now see on page 102, Sawan Singh Ji telling Satnam, that is, it is the 4th place of Sant Mat Prakash part 3 on page 102. Look here, Sachkhand or Satnam is the 4th place. Called Sachkhand or Satnam is the 4th world, Satnam. Well, see ahead on page 106, what does he say? The follower asked on page 106. The same follower says, Hazur, where there is the glory of God. There is some ongoing question. Then Maharaj Ji, Sawan Singh Ji says, which Ram are you referring to? Same follower says, are Ram many? Maharaj Ji says, Sawan Singh Ji, Ram are 4. Which Ram are you referring to? Look here on page 107. The follower says, Hazur, tell about all 4 Rams in detail. Now Maharaj Sawan Singh Ji began to define.
एक राम दशरथ कर डोला, एक राम घट घट में बोला, एक राम का सकल पसारा, एक राम त्रिभुवन से न्यारा.
The first Ram is the son of King Dashrath, who was born in Treta era, was the incarnation. He came and went by performing his duty, but now he cannot meet us, cannot do our work. The second Ram is mind, which is present everywhere. The third Ram is Brahm, who produces the entire universe, nurtures and destroys it. The fourth Ram is Satnam. Wow! You deities, they say 4th Ram is Satnam. Previously Satnam was Sachkhand, Satnam, Satlok, Sarnam, Sat Shabad, Sat Shabad, Satpurush. And they say 4th Ram is Satnam, and this is the real Ram. This is their knowledge. Now I will show you. They themselves accept.
सोए गुरु पूरा कहावे, जो 2 अक्षर का भेद बतावे.
Now see this. Sant Mat Prakash part 4, composed by Sawan Singh Ji, a collection of sermons of Hazur Maharaj Sawan Singh Ji. Part 4. Satsang Vyas, Sant Mat Prakash part 4, Maharaj Sawan Singh Ji. The publisher is Seva Singh, Secretary Radha Swami Satsang Vyas, Dera Baba Jaimal Singh, District Amritsar, Punjab. The printer is Sartaj Printing Press, Tanda Road, Joshi Estate, Jalandhar. Now let us go to its page 261. On the 261st page, this is the same Sant Mat Prakash part 4. There is one speech here of Shiv Dayal Ji, and he has tried to elaborate it. He has tried to translate that. Sawan Singh Ji.
अक्षर रूप निरखती चाली छोड़ दिया अब देश बिगाना.
This world is destructible. That which is indestructible is Brahma. And Niyakshar is Par Brahma. Since this world has been created, we have been living in this world, but now with the grace of Guru, the soul is leaving this palace and going to Satlok. In Guru Granth Sahib, there are very deep and hidden secrets. At one place it states,
52 अक्षर लोक तेरे सब है कुछ इनके माही, ये अक्षर खिर जाएंगे, वो अक्षर इनमें नाही.
Guru Granth Sahib, page 340. They have defined this. What is further in Guru Granth Sahib on page 1171, they are mentioning that there is something else also. About this it has been written in Guru Granth Sahib, Shri Guru Granth Sahib, separate from 52 words.
सोई गुरु पूरा कहावे, दो अक्षर का भेद बतावे, एक छुड़ावे एक लखावे, तो प्राणी निज घर को पावे.
Then it is said,
जे तू पढ़िया पंडित बिन दो अक्षर दो नावा, प्रणवत नानक एक लंगाए, जे कर सत समावा.
if you have qualities, are knowledgeable, then tell those letters. Those letters are in Parabrahm. This translation is of his speech of Savan Singh Ji, but meaning of the actual speech is not this. He himself is saying, tell those words. Those words are in Parabrahm. One letter has created world and one has created Satlok. Kabir Sahib tells the same. Kahe Kabir akhar do bhag. Now look, they have taken reference of the speech of God Kabir. They have taken reference of the speech of God Kabir. 2 words must be spoken, have to be chanted. They say it is in Parabrahm. Aur hoega khasam to lega rakh. If provider of this 2 word is correct, is authorized, there are 2 words. In this, one is Om and one is Tat, it's secret. So if he is correct, authorized, then you will be protected when the time will come, else there will be no benefit. Even if this Satnam is taken from a fake guru, then also it will be useless. This has been written in Adi Guru Granth Sahib on page 329 in Kabir Ji's speech. Then Guru Nanak Sahib tells,
एक अक्षर हर मन वसै, नानक होत निहाल.
this one word has come again. These 2 words are separate. This is Satnam of 2 words. And this one mantra, this is Sarnam, is Adi Naam. Nanak Hot Nihal, souls will be liberated with that. Sarnam, look further, they are moving around. Satnam, at one place again, Guru Sahib says,
वेद कतेब समृत सब शासत, इन पढ़्या मुक्त न होई, एक अक्षर जो गुरुमुख जापे, तिसकी निर्मल होई.
This Adi Naam also has to be chanted after taking from the Guru. This has to be chanted. They say these mantras are not to be chanted, not to be recited. It has to be practiced. What will you practice when you do not know the mantra? Ek akhar jo gurmukh jape. Chant it after becoming disciple of a Guru. Tiski nirmal soi. It has been written in Adi Guru Granth Sahib on page 747. See now. Savan Singh Ji is defining the words of these saints. Those words are within you. This will be obtained after reaching Parabrahma, after death, after becoming a ghost. It will be obtained. The saints are saying that you have to chant from mouth both these words and also one word, Sarnam. This religion is not our religion. This caste is not our caste. This country is not our country. Our country is Sachkhand. Our caste is Satnam. Wow, great sages. The residents of Satlok, now they say Satnam is caste. They are not understanding Satnam. Where will they go? And then further, what are they telling? That words have levels. Om word, Soham word and Sat Shabad. The Soham word, God says, Soham Shabad Ham Jag Mein Laaye. The Soham word is nowhere in any scripture. These 2 words are not in any scripture. One word is Soham, second is Adi Naam. It is said that both of these will not be found in any book. Om will be found. So Om word, Soham word and Sat Shabad. In Gita, Om Tat Sat iti nirdesha brahmana trividha smrita. So they made ignorance or whatever they got from anywhere. They even ended knowledge. According to the status, soul is going to its real motive, real country. Now virtuous souls, whose knowledge is zero, whose theory is baseless, then what will be their practical? With this it is understood that this is useless chanting. All 5 mantras are of Kal. Look, this is Ghat Ramayana of Tulsidas Sahib Hathras Part 1. Belvedere Printing Works, Allahabad, and this is Ghat Ramayana Part 1 of Sadguru Tulsi Sahib Hathras. It has been printed now. We will See on its page 27. By making Tulsidas Sahib Ji's knowledge a nonsense, Shiv Dayal Ji has further introduced it in the society. This is page 27, difference between the body and
अंतर गुफा तहाँ चल जाऊं और जहाँ साहिब के दर्शन पाऊं, पांचों नाम जीव जब भाखा और छठवां नाम गुप्त कर रखा.
They are only talking about 5 mantras. That 6th mantra is a secret.
और पांचों नाम काल के जानो तब दानी मन शंका आनो. निर्गुण निराकार निर्वाणी धर्मराय ये 5 बखानी. जीव नाम निज कह विचारी जान बूझ दानी झक मारी. आगे देखो, कह जीव दृग दानी भाई हम चल जाए नाम चितलाई. दानी दान चुकाओ आई जब ये बाट निभन तू पाई. कही कर अंश कहाँ तुम जाई बात आपनी कहो बुझाई. कह जीव सतलोक निवासा मैं चल जाऊं पुरुष के पासा. दानी कह दूर है भाई अगम पंथ कैसे निभ जाई. कौन नाम मार्ग जो को जाई कौन नाम से उभरे आई. इतना भेद कहो समझावा बाट जीव जब घर की पावा.
Speech of the creature.
दानी सुनो विधि बात हमारी हम चले जाऊं पुरुष दरबारी. सुरत नृत ले लोक सिधाऊं आदि नाम ले काल गिराऊं. और सतनाम ले जीव उबारी अस चल जाऊं पुरुष दरबारी.
Now this Satnam and Adinam both are different. This is 2-word mantra. In this one word is Om and other is secret. It will be told by the servant. This Satnam is of 2 words and this Adinam is Sarnam. All these 3 have to be chanted. This Satnam also has to be chanted of 2 words and Adinam is also to be chanted. Like you read in Guru Granth Sahib that Ek Naam Gurumukh Jape Nanak Hot Nihal. This is also to be chanted. They say it is not to be worshipped and this Radha Swami Panth, Dhan Dhan Satguru Panth, this is the water of the same well, just Jai Gurudev Panth of Mathura. There is a book Sachkhand Ki Sadak, Road to Sachkhand, and this has been published from Sacha Sauda Sirsa, Satnam Singh Ji, who is the second authorized to the throne. It's written by him and he is also the water of the same well. I will show you little change has been done after understanding from somewhere. See this Sachkhand Ki Sadak. Now the name of the book is Oy Hoy. Like the road is of metal, climb on it and go to Satlok. And you will not see even ABC in this. Look, after hearing the name of this book, anyone can be impressed that God is now finally being attained. First part. Servant of the servants, Hazur Maharaj Satnam Singh Ji. This has been printed from Dera Sacha Sauda, Sirsa, Haryana. This is same Dhan Dhan Satguru Tera Hi Asra. This is part 1. The printer is Indra Sen Prabandhak, Paramarth Updesh Printing Press, Dera Sacha Sauda, Shah Satnam Singh Ji Road, Sirsa, Haryana. Phone number so and so. Let us take you to its 226th page. This is 226th page, Sachkhand Ki Sadak. And this.
अलखनामी आया रे देश छोड़ के जी छोड़ के.
Look ahead while translating it has been written.
यहाँ लिखा है अलखनामी आया रे सारे देश छोड़ के जी छोड़ के.
Triloki, Thul, Subtle and Karan. This is their Triloki. The entire creation done by Kal Niranjan, the country of saints at Sachkhand or Satlok. And that is the place of Satpurush or Adi Purush. They call it Adi Purush or Satpurush's place, and that is immortal, indestructible, and is always one. There is only brightness and only light. In reality, God is not there. The beginning and end of the entire creation till human body is done by Him. And that, to Satlok, the land of saints is Sachkhand or is Satlok. And that is the place of Satpurush. Till here, what they said is correct. They must have listened properly from behind and wrote it down properly. To same Satlok or Sachkhand is called Satnam, Sat Shabad and Sar Shabad. Wow, it's cannabis of the same well. They say this is Satlok, the country of saints is Sachkhand or Satlok, and that is the place of Satpurush, Adipurush, that is immortal, eternal, only brightness is here, only light, there is nothing, and that is called Satnam, Sat Shabad and Sar Shabad. Now, you know that they are water of the same well. Jai Gurudev Pant, the Sacha Sauda, Dhandan Satguru, Sirsa and Jagmalwali, and in Gangua 600 Mastana has also originated from there. And this mission is of Kripal Singh Ji, which is in Delhi and which has been run by Jaimal Singh Ji from Beas, from Agra. All are water of the same well. They have the same water, have the same knowledge that is being told to you. They say there is only light in Satlok, only brightness, there is no Satpurush, and when the soul reaches there, it gets absorbed in it like a drop in the ocean, just like dying by drowning. So past souls, first no one will have interest that they go die by drowning in it, merge in it. A clear example is if someone says that God is in the ocean, go and jump. How many will die then? Few innocents might go, otherwise any sensible person would say it is told that we will see God, his hair follicles have brightness equivalent to millions of suns and moons together. This has been written in God Kabir's knowledge, and the liberated souls who have gone there whisk on God. How would they whisk the formless? And then they tell that Sawan Singh Ji has narrated the story. One time there was a queen named Indramati. She was at the time of God Kabir. By the way, they do not know when was she, when had God come. Still, whatever knowledge they have given by ranging from somewhere, let us understand that. And Queen Indramati was the disciple of Kabir God. First Kabir Ji merged in the sea in Satpurush, and after that, when Queen Indramati went to die by drowning, then what did she see? Kabir Ji's only is Satpurush. Then Queen Indramati says, "Oh God, you are really Akal Murat is Satpurush, and if I would have known before, had I not served you." Now look at their wisdom according to their knowledge. According to the legislation of Radha Swami, according to the legislation of Jai Gurudev, if we consider that, first Kabir Sahib went and got merged with Satpurush in that brightness in the ocean, and after that the queen merged in that. Then how did they discuss that? Their existence had ended. By putting the drop in the sea, tell, can it have separate existence? Then how did she saw Kabir Sahib Ji there in the form of Satpurush? The reality is that Kabir is God. Kabir is Supreme God. He is Satpurush, the imperishable God. There, God's one hair follicle has brightness of millions of suns and moons are joined. Indramati in reality saw there that God, you were really Supreme God. Our mind was not working, else we would have recognized you. This is the reality, it's true, but that theory is wrong. At first, Kabir Sahib got absorbed, after that Queen Indramati got absorbed, then how would they discuss and talk amongst themselves? This is their ignorance, and millions are following these fakes, considering them as correct, because the belief of the devotees is that whatever Guruji is saying is correct. These fakes misused them, they ruined them, they destroyed the lives of innocent souls. Now look at the words of Sawan Singh Ji, Santamat Bhag Prakash 4. On its page 264 it has been written. Look on 264th page. Santamat Bhag Prakash 4. One follower asked Sawan Singh Ji, who is Sawan Singh Ji? He is the Guruji of Sacha Sauda Khemamal Singh Shah Mastana Balochisthani. This is Sawan Singh Ji. One follower questioned him, Maharaj, how far is the title of saints? Maharaj Ji, Sawan Singh Ji answers, we do not have such intelligence and wisdom to understand the title of saints. But still listen. Queen Indumati was during Kabir Sahib's time. First Kabir Sahib merged with the Lord. Look, then the Queen merged. When the Queen went to Sachkhand and saw the position of Kabir Sahib, she said, Maharaj, if you would have told me in advance that I am Akal Purush, then I would not have unnecessarily bothered doing worship. Kabir Sahib replied, you would not have believed at that time. Now we will analyze this, pious souls. This is the ignorance of Radha Swami cult. Their thoughts that Satpurush is not there, is formless, and only brightness, only light is there. How they have tried to present the truth as ignorance according to their legislation, but still it's not hidden. It is said,
चोर चुरावे तुमड़ी और गड्ढे पानी में, वो गड्ढे वो ऊपर आवे, न सच्चाई छनी ना.
Now think, according to their legislation, they say that first Kabir Sahib went and merged with Almighty. The drop fell into the sea. His existence finished. Then they say that the Queen went and merged in that. Both became one. Then at what time did they talk? How did she see Kabir Sahib? If there is no existence there, then how did she see? The truth is that God Kabir Sahib himself is in the form of Almighty. God in Satpurush form himself is Almighty, like Swami Ramanand Ji has said.
दोहू ठोड़ है एक तू और भया एक से दो और गरीबदास हम कारणे आए हो तुम मगजो.
God Kabir himself says, हम ही अलग
खला है कुतुब गोस और पीर, गरीबदास खालक धनी हमारा नाम कबीर. ए स्वामी सृष्टा में और सृष्टि हमारे तीर, दास गरीब अधर बसू.
God Kabir tells, I live adhar up above. My name is Kabir. And these ignorants say that first Kabir Sahib got absorbed, later Indramati merged. Then how did they discuss? Use our mind a little. Well, previous followers went to hell, now you be safe. The rest ones who are trapped with those fake gurus, get rid of them and get your welfare done. This time will not come again. Now one proof they have given here, I will show more. Look on page 189 in same Sant Mat Prakash part 4 on page 189. Look, Sawan Singh Ji is answering similar. Was Queen Indumati, when Kabir Sahib took her to Sachkhand, reaching there she saw that Kabir Sahib only is Satpurush. She says, well, if you would have told me that I am Satpurush, so would I not have served you? He says, you would not have believed. Now that you have come here, you may say what you wish. Now this is the truth. This conversation is correct as it is of Indramati and Kabir Ji. It has been written in story of Indramati. This they took it right, that Kabir is God, it's reality. And there they have tried to prove their wrong theory as well with the story on the 264th page in this Sant Mat part 4. In that they have tried to explain that first Kabir Sahib got absorbed and after that Indumati went and absorbed in it like a drop in the ocean, and then they are talking. Come on, useless ones, well, ignorance. God Kabir Ji tells,
मोती मुक्ता दर्शत नाही, ये जग है सब अंदरे, दिखत के तो नैन चश्म इनके फिरा मोतिया बंदरे.
They look like great sages, great scholars. Mandaleshwars supreme have reached Sachkhand. They did not understand Satnam. Where will they go? For this reason that Shiv Dayal Ji is speaking from within his disciple Bukki by becoming a ghost, I will show you.
Sat Sahib.
आप सुन रहे थे जगत गुरु तत्वदर्शी संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के मंगल प्रवचन. अधिक जानकारी के लिए विजिट कीजिए हमारी वेबसाइट www.jagatgururampalji.org. संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी के शुभ आशीर्वाद से पूरे विश्व भर में 500 से भी ज्यादा नाम दीक्षा केंद्र हैं, जिन पर संत रामपाल जी महाराज जी द्वारा ऑनलाइन निशुल्क नाम दीक्षा दी जा रही है. अपने नजदीकी नाम दीक्षा केंद्र का पता करने के लिए संपर्क करें 8222880541.